I am surely a changemaker through my years of experience within the arts and alternative education.
A group of people from diverse sectors that enables discussion between these sectors and at the end of the day brings about change.
I am a change maker, and there are a lot of institutions trying to do similar things, and there's little unity. And I think forums such as dinners, where we can just sit around on an equal playing field with confidentiality.
Change that comes out of engagement and continuous convincing of everyone in society that together we can build a prosperous society.
And I think alternative education in itself is change making. So what we do is we try to implement positive change in the lives of young people on the Cape Flats. And one of our current programs is Sisters with Attitude.
So these dinners that Bonnie are putting together with these incredible people actually brings about change. It actually opens that dialogue, opens the conversations, and, well, brings about the change.
That's one of the most fundamental problems, that there's a lack of sharing of resources and connections and ideas, and that's a perfect platform what the Changemakers Network is doing, and I would love to take part in more of them.
As you said, it brings people together, which allows them to open their minds and explore more, and at the end of the day, bring a greater world and a greater space and a more sharing and more open and honest area.
South Africa does indeed belong to all who live in it, black and white. We can have a society of equals where all can live and honestly claim that South Africa does truly belong to everyone.
If you can find the developmental programs and aspects towards yourself that you can contribute in your environment, whether it's home, school, or your community, to enlarge your country, that is really making a positive change in your society. And transformation is the key to any positive change in yourself and your community. So change making is the key.